Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something pretty exciting to share with you. My new Bambu Labs P1S 3D printer. So this gorgeous bit of kit arrived and I was supposed to unbox it on camera, but as you know, when you get something new you kind of get a bit overexcited, and I just couldn't wait but to unbox it and start using it. Yes, useful. Let's have a look at the printer. I know what you're thinking. Great, another 3D printer to make useless trinkets that are just going to collect dust and clutter up your house. And yes, they are good for that, but they're also good for solving problems that you might have around the house. Speaking of problems, I think I've got one just over there. Look here, my trusty lawnmower. The handle snapped off, leaving this stubby, sharp plastic shard. Now, I could probably go online and order a replacement part, wait a week for shipping, and probably pay £25 for what essentially is just a piece of plastic. Or I could design and print my own replacement part using my new 3D printer. Let's give it a go. So here I am, just releasing the mechanism from the mower handle. A few screws and it comes away quite easily. It's good to double check that the mower is not connected to the power outlet whilst taking this apart. Now on the workbench I need to try and remove the broken handle without causing any further damage. To the computer, and I decided to see if anything was already available so I didn't have to model the handle from scratch. Luckily there was, so I just quickly checked to see if it looked alright. Then I downloaded it, all for free. Importing the file into Bambu Studio was easy, and I just adjusted the orientation of the handle to help with the print. Then I went to the support tab and enabled the supports to allow the overhanging parts of the model to print properly, shown here in green. Then I selected which filament I wanted to use and finally sent it to the printer to start printing. Okay, I think it's finished. Let's have a quick look, see how we get on. Now, on closer inspection, it looks like there has been a problem with the print, not with the model itself, but with the print. And I think that might have been me being a bit daft and opening the door while it was printing. Might have cooled the filament slightly, causing that. But anyway, it's good enough for me to try it, see what it fits, and then I can just do another print. I'll work out how much it costs, but it won't be a great deal. There's not a lot of supports needed, so just snap them off like that. Some in there as well. Let me try and get them out. And then these little ones just snap off like that. Little one there. Probably just break those off. There we go. What's it look like compared to the original? Not too bad. It's got the hole in the middle, because I did notice that another model that I found didn't have that. It hasn't got that in. I'm not sure whether that's going to be a problem or not yet. But yeah, overall, not too bad. Let's see whether it will fit into the... might just trim these off for now, but we'll see whether it fits into the housing. Let's quickly cut these. There we go. Yeah, I think I will do another print if it works. Get rid of them. quick tidy up. You often have to do this with prints if you don't know. Just tweak it a little bit. It's not too bad. Right, anyway, let's see whether we can get it to fit in. So here's the original. So in theory, oh, it slides in nice. Ooh. Well, I don't think you could argue with that. That's pretty good. Quite impressed with that. Let's just try the spring in. Put that in there, and then this is what goes on top, which is the safety release mechanism. Let's try and get it connected back up. But no, pretty impressive. That's got to go up there. So let's have a look at that. Right, it's all plugged in. So there we go. So we've got to push this down first, which is the safety. Click. Well, I think that's a success. So there you have it. That £25 part that I needed to buy, printed for 50p. It took about an hour and a half. No waiting around for shipping, and back up and running. And that is why I love 3D printing, especially on the Bambu Labs P1S. Yes, printing little gadgets and gizmos is fun for a while, but the real value comes when you can actually fix something in the house for yourself at a fraction of the cost of buying replacement parts. Anyway, I hope this gives you some ideas of the practical side of owning a 3D printer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.